Taking care of our digestive health is very important for our overall well-being. Detoxifying the intestines plays a vital role in removing waste from our bodies, improving digestion, and supporting a healthy immune system. Today in this video, we will share with you a simple yet effective drink recipe that can help detoxify your intestines. This recipe uses natural ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. To prepare this detoxifying drink, you will need the following ingredients: beetroot, 1 medium-sized, ginger, 1 inch piece, lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon, black pepper, as per taste. To prepare the detoxifying drink, peel the beetroot and slice it into small pieces. Blend the beetroot along with the ginger, turmeric powder, and black pepper in a mixer grinder until it becomes a smooth mixture. Pour the mixture into a glass and add lemon juice. Do not strain the mixture. Consume the drink freshly prepared within 1 hour to maximize its benefits. Each ingredient in this detoxifying drink offers unique benefits for your digestive health. Beetroot, known for its detoxifying properties, it helps improve digestion, eliminate toxins from the body, and enhance bowel movement. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, it soothes the digestive tract, reduces inflammation, and promotes healthy elimination. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it helps flush out toxins from your body. It also balances the pH level in your stomach and aids in digestion. Turmeric, this spice is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric reduces gut inflammation, improves digestion, and supports liver function. Black pepper, containing piperine, black pepper enhances the absorption of nutrients in the body. It also promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. For maximum benefits, it is recommended to consume this detoxifying drink on an empty stomach, either in the morning or mid-morning, so that your body absorbs the nutrients and cleanses the intestines effectively. Incorporating natural ingredients like beetroot, ginger, lemon, turmeric, and black pepper into your diet can help detoxify your intestines and promote better digestive health. Remember, it's essential to focus on maintaining your well-being and preventing diseases rather than just seeking cures. So, make this simple detox drink a part of your daily routine and enjoy the numerous benefits it offers. Like, share, and subscribe for more useful health-related educational videos like this.